Chinese calligraphy features in 8 major styles, and each style has distinct characteristics reflecting the evolution of Chinese script over time. Among all, I prefer Jiaguan and Chaozu. It's like contemporary art exploring its traditional forms and can innovate new styles.
Show 长寿 电
electricity,
A unique personal brand logo should be a visually distinct representation of your individual identity and professional style, serving as a memorable first impressions. The Chinese poetry is often incorporated into interior and embroidery with designs and motifs drawing inspiration and its themes.